How can we find God in our daily lives? Look at the sunset or a blooming flower. His signs are everywhere if you just open your heart to see them. Is it true that giving charity reduces your wealth?
Never. Charity is like pruning a tree. It may look like you're losing something, but it actually helps you grow much stronger.
And how should we react when someone speaks ill of us?
Stay calm. Your character is defined by your reaction, not their action. Silence is often the best answer to ignorance.
What is the best way to earn God's mercy?
By being merciful to his creation. Feed a hungry soul or help a stranger.
Why is it important to respect our parents?
Because they are our gateway to heaven. Their prayers are the reason for our success in this world. And
Can money buy a peaceful sleep?
money buys a comfortable bed, but only a clear conscience and a heart free of malice can give you a peaceful sleep.
What is the first thing we should do when we wake up?
Say thank you to the Creator for giving us another day to do good. Gratitude changes everything.
What is the true definition of a strong person?
A strong person is not the one who can lift heavy weights, but the one who can control their ego and forgive others easily.
And what is the definition of a truly successful person?
The one who leaves a legacy of kindness. Success isn't about what you take from the world, but what you give to it.
What does it mean to have tawakkul or complete trust in God?
It means doing your absolute best and then leaving the results to the Creator, knowing He always has a better plan for you.
What is the biggest sign of God's existence in nature?
The perfect balance of the universe.
Yeah.
From the orbit of the planets to the heartbeat of a child.
Why does honesty matter in a world full of lies?
Because honesty builds trust, and trust is the foundation of every strong relationship. A lie may save you today, but it ruins your tomorrow.
What is the greatest gift we can give to our children?
Good character and moral values. Money can be lost, but a strong character will guide them through any storm.
How do you know if you are making progress in life?
When you start comparing yourself to who you were yesterday, instead of comparing yourself to others, that's real growth.
What is the most beautiful quality a human can possess?
Purity of heart. When you wish well for others just as much as you wish for yourself, you find true beauty.
What is the most beautiful character trait a person can have?
Humility. No matter how high you go, always keep your feet on the ground and treat everyone with respect.
What is the best way to ask God for help? With a humble heart and sincere tears. He hears the whispers of a broken heart even when no words are spoken.
What is the ultimate goal of a human being? To know the Creator and to be a source of mercy for His creation. That is true fulfillment.
And if you could give one piece of spiritual advice to the world, what would it be? Don't just be a believer, be a seeker of truth. Be the light that guides others towards kindness and the Creator. What should we do when we feel lost or alone? Talk to God. He is closer to you than your jugular vein. He never leaves those who sincerely call upon Him.
What is the biggest waste of time in our lives?
Regretting the past and worrying about the future. Trust the Creator's timing and live fully in the present moment.
Why is it important to be thankful for the hard times? Because stars cannot shine without darkness. Difficulties are just God's way of preparing you for...
Why did God give us 2 ears but only 1 mouth?
So we can listen twice as much as we speak. Listening to others is a great form of respect.